Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to whip up a delicious Italian-style spaghetti in just minutes, with sausage, ground meat, and a whole lot of flavor. This dish is perfect for a quick dinner, but tastes like it's straight from a trattoria. Let's get cooking. First, cook your pasta. Bring a big pot of salted water to a boil, and cook your noodles until they're al dente, firm but tender. Drain and set aside. Easy. Next up, let's prepare the sausages. Place your Italian sausages on the stove and sear them until they're golden and just a little crispy on the outside. This adds great texture. Once cooked, slice or crumble them into bite-sized pieces. That's the secret to flavor and crunch. Now in the same pan, cook your ground beef or turkey until brown. Season with salt, pepper, and if you like, a little garlic powder or Italian herbs. Cook until everything is beautifully caramelized and fragrant. Once your meat is ready, add your favorite pasta sauce. Marinara, Alfredo, or whatever you love. Mix everything together so the flavors meld. Then, stir in a generous amount of Parmesan cheese. About 2 big containers or enough to see it throughout the sauce. Want to kick it up a notch? Sprinkle some Romano or your favorite blend for extra flavor. Finally, toss your cooked noodles right into the sauce. Mix thoroughly so every strand is coated. No need to bake or cook further, just serve hot, maybe with a sprinkle of extra cheese or fresh herbs if you like. And there you go! A rich, satisfying plate of Italian-style spaghetti ready in minutes. Perfect for busy nights or when you want comfort food fast. Give it a try and enjoy a restaurant-quality meal at home. Simple, quick, and totally customizable. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes. Buon appetito!